3, 2, 1.
What do you call the distance between the origin 0, 0 and a point x, y? The answer is B, absolute distance. Which of these ladies did not date Jim Halpert on the TV show The Office? The answer is A, Jan. What type of image is formed when light rays diverge in front of a mirror? The answer is D, virtual. Dr. Watson is the sidekick of Sherlock Holmes. Do you know his first name? The answer is B, John. Which human body system moves nutrients and other substances throughout the body? The answer is A, cardiovascular system. What is the Egyptian deity associated with the afterlife, mummification, and the dead? The answer is A, Anubis. Who sings the song Imagine? The answer is A, John Lennon. What actor uttered the popular phrase, "Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer" in the 1974 movie The Godfather Part Roman II? The answer is D, Al Pacino. Which fashion brand introduced the concept of see now, buy now? The answer is C, Burberry C. Which medical specialty largely replaced the old general practice specialty? The answer is D, family practice. What term describes scientists who debate the origin of the earliest plants? The answer is B, paleobotanists. What is it called when H20 falls from a fluffy object to land on the top of cloth suspended on a rod? The answer is C, precipitation. Who created the Starry Night over the Rhone?
The answer is A, Van Gogh.
What is the primary focus of behaviorism? The answer is C, learning. What is a small, one-person vehicle with two wheels called? The answer is A, scooter. What did the Imperial soldiers want to destroy while in the Adat Walkers? The answer is D, the shield generator. Which set of numbers is most significant to baseball? The answer is A, 349. In animal cells, what arises from the centrosomes and includes spindle microtubules and asters? The answer is B, the spindle. Which is the lowest level of environmental organization that would include the water quality and air temperature in an area? The answer is B, ecosystem. What is a triangular tool used for drawing and measuring? The answer is C, pencil case. Which planet has a ring system? The answer is C, Saturn. Which athlete won the most Olympic gold medals in individual events? The answer is A, Michael Phelps. What is muscle tissue that is attached to the bone called? The answer is B, skeletal tissue. A thief broke into the house of a person who wasn't home. Nothing was stolen. What? The answer is D, the thief was a cat. What objects are made from highly reflective metal that is applied to a curved or flat piece of glass? The answer is A, mirrors. The pangolin is covered in what? The answer is B, scales. What is DNA's chemical structure known as? The answer is A, double helix. What kind of oily substance is secreted from sebaceous glands? The answer is D, sebum. According to Greek mythology, Lycaon, king of Arcadia, was turned into a werewolf-like creature because he served Zeus a dish of which of the following? The answer is D, Lycaon's child. In which sport does Usain Bolt hold the world record for 100 m? The answer is C, athletics. What is the hypothesis that states that the biosphere is its own living organism? The answer is B, Gaia hypothesis. Which sport uses a net and racket? The answer is A, volleyball. Which author wrote Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows? The answer is D, J.K. Rowling. What is the process by which a liquid changes to a solid? The answer is C, freezing. Which of these politicians was Gerald R. Ford's stiffest challenge in the Republican race in 1976? The answer is B, Ronald Reagan. In the game of Scrabble, each player starts with how many letters?
The answer is B, 7.
What speaks with many voices, but has no mouth? The answer is A, echo. Who developed the atomic model known as the plum pudding model? The answer is A, J. Thomson. I stand tall without legs and wear a white shawl. Who am I? The answer is A, mountain. What process enables all living things to maintain a constant internal environment? The answer is C, homeostasis. Who is the first person to fly solo non-stop around the world in a balloon? The answer is D, Steve Fossett. Which word is defined as confused, perplexed? The answer is B, bumfuzzle. What was Scrubs character Elliot Reed known as? The answer is D, moment killer. What was Marilyn Monroe famous for wearing at the 1962 Grammy Awards? The answer is A, a dress. Which of these is not within the natural diet of the omnivorous eastern box turtle? The answer is D, small amphibians. In Cheech and Chong's movie Up in Smoke, Cheech beats Chong and calls him man because he doesn't know his name. What is the name of Chong's character? The answer is A, Anthony Stoner. Which Star Wars character said, she lied to us"? The answer is C, General Moff Tarkin. Which form of digestion is a purely physical process that does not change the chemical nature of the food? The answer is C, mechanical. What do you call reversible changes that do not change matter's chemical makeup or chemical properties? The answer is D, physical changes. Montreal Canadiens head coach Guy Carbonneau was once a Habs player. What year was he traded and to which team?